Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Web3, where we unpack the most exciting things happening across the Web3 universe, from digital drops to real-world experiences. And today we're unboxing something special, a real-life pilgrimage spot for the NFT community located in the heart of Brooklyn, New York. It's called the Williamsburg NFT Wall, and it's more than just street art. It's a living archive of the NFT boom. It started in 2021 when a street artist named Masnah began transforming a brick building on Roebling and Grand into a canvas for blue chip NFTs. Over time, this wall became iconic, featuring more than 60 NFT murals from collections like CryptoPunks, the Ape Yacht Club, Gutter Cats, and even Pudgy Penguins. But here's the twist. These weren't just fan tributes. Each mural was a commissioned piece by the NFT holders themselves, blending public art with blockchain ownership. We were in town for NFT NYC, and we knew we had to see it in person. So we linked up with our homie, Josh Ong, and together we visited the wall, pointing out all the familiar faces from Web3 history. You can feel the history and culture baked into the bricks. Each mural is a digital flex turned physical, stamped into the street. A literal wall of fame for early Web3 pioneers. After soaking it in, I had the opportunity to speak with the artist himself, Masnah. Let's jump to that conversation.
Good to meet you.
I've been trying to get my ape on here for years, and maybe one day we will.
Yeah, the project's been going on for 4 years. Technically, there's been different bricks contracts that have been minted. So the beginning of the project, it was called Another Flex on the Wall.
Well, you did it, and this thing is like flagpole in the planet for like NFTs and murals and like decentralized art. You must be a local, because to have this primetime wall, it's probably not an easy feat.
I moved to New York in 2004. I was a young teenager and in love with graffiti and art. And I always wondered, how can I be part of this city, right? It's like, it seemed impossible. Yeah, with time and a lot of ups and downs, I had the opportunity to get access to this wall and build on it.
And how is it staying? Like, you would think that the owner of the building at some point, you see murals come and go, but like yours is consistent year after year. How do you pull that off?
Well, that was part of the deal. Long story short, I was painting punks, and my friend cleaned graffiti in the neighborhood. And he told me, maybe, I clean this person's graffiti all the time, maybe I could get a wall from you. So I gave a proposal where I wouldn't put anything political, I wouldn't put any logos, I wouldn't put anything that wasn't for the children, and he would let it ride. And it's been, just like a handshake deal. And he's respected it, and I've respected my side, and we've been able to keep this wall building.
People from all around the world know about this wall, and it's well photoed and documented, and people always make a stop here to check it out.
Yeah, it's become a landmark, definitely. Even the community built this like a pinpoint in Google.
Yeah.
So people leave comments. It says it's a tourist attraction, which is gonna allow
I got it for the first time like 3 years ago. Yeah.
The NFT market is so volatile and so like bubbly that I wanted to really make a statement about how trust is the real currency and how I'm an honest creator. And if you trust me, I'm gonna over-deliver and create something that we can build together that's gonna be more long-lasting than anything we could buy or sell in the instant market. Because at some point, people saw it as advertisement, but for me, it was never that. For me, it was always just a representation of the story that we're telling the world.
Huge thanks to Masnah for the FaceTime and the conversation, and big shout out for Josh Ong for joining us on this journey. Make sure to follow us on X and head over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. That's where you can see the archive of over 200 episodes unboxing all things happening in the Web3 space. Catch you in the next episode.